Alright guys, njagala tutunulire course eyitibwa Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word kye ki? Microsoft Word ye program etuyamba okuprocessinga document zonna z'omanyi. Eri powerful enough okubeera nga tucreatingiramu documents nga CV, cover letters, creatingamu tables, kuteekamu charts, kuteekamu multimedia, kusaamu bifaananyi, kuprintinga, kutypinga, buli kika kya document gy'omanyi ekozesebwa program eyitibwa Microsoft Word. Program eno ekozesebwa mu organization mu offices. Naawe omuntu ayagala okukola stationary, Microsoft Word ye program yandibadde ebeera ku computer yo. How do we open Microsoft Word? First of all, bakuwadde computer and they ask you to open Microsoft Word and do something. Ojja genda ku search bar right here, otekemu Word in case wagaye Microsoft Word. Osearchingemu nti Word. When you complete it, program yine ejja kuba ezze. Alternatively, osobola ogenda ku start menu n'obeera ng'onoonya program eyitibwa Microsoft Word. So tujja ku openinga Microsoft Word, click on it. Bw'onooja openinga, I said 95% ojja tuukira ku screen efaanagana bw'eti. Screen eno ojja kusanga side eno awatono ne side wano awagati. Basically tugenda genda wano awali new. Click on new. Bw'onookiringa ku new ebiri mu new bijja kulabika. As I mentioned, ojja kusanga template, ojja kusanga ne wali kibayita blank document. Since ogenda kutandika document mpya, ojja kuba okukirikinga ku kibayita blank document. Now, when you look at this interface, njagala to understanding the interface. Word ajja kukwanguira ng'otegedde interface. Interface eno erina ebintu biringa bisatu bina ebiri important. It has a ribbon. Ribbon is ki? Ribbon yeno upper space gye tulaba eno waggulu. Yeno space waggulu wano eyitibwa ribbon wempisa mouse. Buli ekiri kwano waggulu kiri ku ribbon. Ribbon contains different tabs. Ziyitibwa tabs. For example, tulina home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design tab, layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab, and view tab. Ziyitibwa tab. And each tab contains different commands. For example, tulaba tuba tukilikinze ku home tab, tusangamu commands zino ez'enjawulo. Ono tusanga in case oyagala kukyusa colors, kugeza bigambo byewandiise. Tulina paragraph tab, command ekola ku bya paragraph. Tulina styles. If you click on insert tab, era namujja kusangamu different commands. If you click on draw tab, namujja kusangamu different commands. In other words, each tab contains different commands. If you click on design tab, era ojja kusangamu different commands. And this is all you need. Ebyo bigenda okuyamba okubeera nga coming up with your fine and professional document. Knowing how these tabs and commands work is crucial. So these are different tabs. These are tabs with different commands. So how would you go about that? Oyina kyoyagala kutypinga, just go to the ribbon. In case oyagala ku insertinga, go to insert. In case oyagala drawinga, go. These tabs containing a different command. Number 2, ku ribbon kuno kuliko kye bayita quick access toolbar wano waggulu shortcut buno. Quick access toolbar is very important in case of deleting the cheat by mistake. Tulina option egamba undo or egamba redo. We said even you can customize ebitusanga quick access toolbar. If you click on the drop down here, klikingako kyoteekako mark kitegeeza kijja kweteeka wano. For example, if you put new, ntuteekawo ka mark ku new, you will find nga tutaddewo kye bayita new document. So you can just click here to create a new document. Zino ze ziyitibwa quick access toolbar era esangibwa ku ribbon. As well, tulina wo searching it. You can see what searching it. I said in case you are stuck on a document, for example, be like, how do I insert a table? You are stuck, you can just come here and search for what you have forgotten. For example, if I put table, okulaba ngekuwa options oba actions. Alternatively, osituzinga gy'oyagala nobeera ng'ekuremindinga. Tugisanga ku kibayita ribbon as well. Ribbon wansi wano waliwo ruler. Tujja kweyongera okumanya omugaso gwa ruler, but ruler ebeera below the ribbon. tulina kye bayita backstage view. Backstage view ekola otya? Backstage view ogisanga wa gye tuprintingira, gye tusavingira, gye tumanya information about everything. Backstage view, you simply go to the ribbon and you click on the file. This is called a backstage view. Obanga atandika obutandizi. It's like kugulira interface gyosanga ng'oggulawo, yogisanga mu backstage view. Tulina options nga new, open or opening existing documents already zewakolako edda. Tulina information about the document, save as, na option ya print in case you want to print, ya share in case you want to share, export in case, and more options. Ozisanga mu backstage view. How do you go to backstage view? Or clicking on file tab and you'll be in backstage view already. Now, still on the interface, a Microsoft Word interface, in case commands notoyagala zibeere nga zirabika, we said you have an option here on the far right side. We can just click here. Netubeera nga tuhidinga commands ezo ne zibeera nga tezirabika. If you want to bring them back, click on any tab and then ojja wano making sure you pin the commands. If you want to hide them, I said you just come and click on this upper drop down, drop up, and then it will be hidden. Still on the interface, tugenda kukira wansi ku far right down. Tulina awali zoom in and zoom out. In case paper ntono, you can just ebigambo tobiraba, you can zoom ng'okirikinga ku ka plus. If you click on plus, you're going to see you are zooming in, and here you are zooming out. We talked as well, we have different view modes in a SAT. They are very important for us to know. If, for example, documents zoli mukukolako zigenda ogenda zibeera ng'oza uploading on website, you click in this web layout mulina okukolera. If you're going to do normal documents, official documents, they have to be in print layout, this mode. If you are reading what you have written or your typing, you have to you can go to read mode. Just click on read mode and it will look like this. So usually you should keep your computer and your Microsoft Word in print layout mode. And that's all about the interface and about the ribbon. We talked about the ruler, we talked about the quick access toolbar, we talked about the backstage view, and we talked about the display mode fancy, and also the zoom in and zoom out. Like we said, if you want to close your program, you go in the kasonda one in the corner, you click on the X, that is how you close it. That is how you close it. That's all. See you for the next